start, we'll need to navigate to the tenant's profile. You can do this by selecting Tenants from the toolbar at the top and selecting on your tenant, or you can use the master search located at the top of the screen. The rental details section and use the menu button in the top right. Here we can select late lien fees, and we'll be given a list of all of our outstanding invoices. We could select the checkbox next to the one with the late fee applied to it, and choose the checkbox underneath the Waive fee heading. We'll have to make a comment just to confirm our choice. And we can select Save. That's it. Your late fee is. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.